Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 231 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Second Love Corrector Cream that I got from ShopMissA, and this is a blue color corrector. So I'm pretty sure on my channel so far I've tried out all of the other colors as color correctors, but I tried them out in the LA Colors Correcting Concealers. So if you want to see my video on those, I will link them down below. But when I saw that ShopMissA had a blue color corrector, I was so intrigued, and the blue color is supposed to help counteract redness and sunspots. And wow, my cheeks are looking so red today. I don't even really know why my cheeks are looking so inflamed, but I'm really hoping that this color corrector will help tone that down. But yeah, like I said, I got this from ShopMissA, so this only cost $1 and it's cruelty free. And this actually comes in 4 different color correcting shades. I do like that it comes in this little tub here that I can just apply it with my finger. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, yeah, this is a really nice creamy texture. And it's not... I want to swatch it because I don't think it seems very pigmented. Yeah, I mean, I think it'll make a light layer, which is all I really want when I'm applying a color correcting underneath kind of priming concealer or cream in this case. So yeah, not super blue, but hopefully it gets the job done. I'm just going to apply this with my finger to where I have that discoloration. This really does feel so nice and creamy and hydrating on my face. But I do feel like I have to keep dipping back in and getting more product. Like, I don't get much from one swipe because it's not super pigmented. Wow, look at that difference in how red my skin looks. Like, sure, this does look blue and I couldn't go out with just this on, but that is like a dramatic decrease in the amount of redness. And I'm just loving how it looks and feels on my skin. It feels so nice, and it actually really filled in my pores because I have like large pores along my cheeks. And it looks like I don't even have pores anymore on this side. So I'm very curious how this is going to look under my foundation. I think for this test, I'm going to leave this side without any color correcting and this side with the color correcting cream, and we'll see how my skin looks. Whenever I try out a product underneath a foundation, I like to use my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation as my kind of testing foundation on top of it, because I love that this is about medium coverage, buildable to full coverage, but I'll be able to, with one layer, see the difference in the amount of redness showing through. And I also like that this just has like a very natural, neutral finish, so I'm able to also judge the finish to my skin with whatever product I decide to have underneath, and today, in that case, is this blue color correcting cream. But if you want to see my review on this e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, which I love this foundation, I will link that video down below. And of course, applying with my Real Techniques sponge, which is one of my all-time favorites now, which I also have a review on and can link down below. I'm so tired today for some reason. I have like a hard time falling asleep these days, and I think it's because I stay up too late watching YouTube videos. So I'm gonna try and stop watching so much YouTube before going to sleep and try reading instead, and I think that will make me more tired so that I can go to bed earlier, get more sleep. So I'd love to know in the comments down below any recommendations for good books. I typically actually read nonfiction books, like whether it's about finance or makeup or anything. Like, I love books where I can learn, but I also love like a good fiction book, so I'm really open to like any type of suggestion. Okay, so my foundation is applied, and let's see, is there a difference between this side with the blue color correcting versus this side without it? To me, the difference is pretty undetectable because I do still see redness peeking through on both cheeks. And I only feel like because I'm looking for it, I can tell that this side with the blue color corrector is the tiniest bit less red than this one. So I do feel like it's worth applying this color corrector underneath to get that slight difference, but I don't think that anyone would really notice the difference between my two cheeks. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, but that's how I'm feeling. But I will say that this looks beautiful under my makeup. You can't tell that I have like a cream on underneath. The texture looks very natural, and my pores do look really nice. Like, the foundation is not filled into my pores, and it is sitting very nicely on top of them and looks very smooth. So although I want this to be a miracle product of getting rid of my crazy redness on my cheeks today, I don't think that it completely neutralizes the redness, but as you saw, it does make a big difference. And maybe once I've applied the foundation, it's not super noticeable, but I do like this product, and for $1, I'm very happy with it, and it's definitely something I'm going to continue to use. Just quickly and easily can rub it onto my cheeks before applying my foundation and just feel a little bit more confident that my skin looks more even, less splotchy and red. I don't have like the sunspots to test this out on to know if it helps with that, but if you do have sunspots, I definitely think that this is worth trying out for $1, and I'd love to know if it works well for that. Since I'm happy with this product, the way it applies, the way it looks on my skin, I would be interested in trying it out in some of the other colors that they had it in. I think they had it in like a pink and a green, which I could definitely get some use out of as well. So maybe I'll try those out in the future because I am impressed by the formula here. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.